foremost, let me apologize for the wind. It's a little breezy out here. This, y'all saw earlier as I was doing the giveaway video. I told you I was going to be out if that rain stopped. Oh, Horseshoe and me out here doing some head hunting out at the cutover. Lots of rain, guys. We had to come, and this is why. Take a gander. Laid up, pretty as you please. Today is, oh my God.
Thank you, Lord.
That one ain't broke. Nope.
Just didn't get that one.
Give me a kill shot. Pow. What is today? Today is Saturday the
4th, 5th, something like that.
Yeah, 4th or 5th, somewhere in that neighborhood. But it's Saturday. Back out at the cutover. All right, guys, we got a little walking to do. We'll get back at you. If I'd have just left the camera on, took a few more steps. This is what we had all those months ago before they ever planted this. Brokes, and more brokes. But that would have been gorgeous. All right, we'll get back. People, I just walked up. I swear we just, right over there was where we picked up that broken one. And we walked to right here, and I could see this. You could see this from space. Just laid up. Oh, Lord have mercy. Thank you, Jesus.
Pray for my base.
Oh, Zach said he's got a bait sticking out just as soon as I spotted this.
I got a tip sticking out.
Look at that. Oh, a tip sticking out.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord. What a point.
Nice.
All right. Let's leave it on. I swear if this iCloud mess, if I had enough storage.
Pray for my base, like I said.
Lord, let it be. Look at the serrations in that puppy. Be there, baby. Come on. Yes!
Oh,
yes! Oh, my God. Wow. Well, this is for Jason Waller, was it? You want me to do a cartwheel, buddy? Listen, I'm not hurting myself for you, but I have been praying for you, my friend. This is as real as it gets, and yes, we get excited over finding such awesome artifacts. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. That's right.
All right. God, I swear I want to leave it on, but I know my iCloud's going to do something stupid and shut me off. All right, guys. I know we'll get back. Probably got some wind noise here. It's windy as can be. The flakes are unbelievable. I saw this from 10 foot away, shining like a beacon. Look at that. Thank you, Lord. Come on, baby.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Man, we should have brought a water bottle.
We should have brought a water bottle. Look at that.
That tip's gone. You don't want that.
Yeah, I'll throw it back down since it's got a chigger bite on the tip.
You don't want that.
Lord, thank you. And this is why we give away. We give something back because the Lord has blessed us, people. I know there are those of you who can't get out, who are physically unable. And there's those who don't have places to go. And we are not boastful in that sense that we're not braggarts. We're not bragging. We're very thankful and humbled and blessed to have such places to go.
I got a tip here.
And Zach says he's got a tip sticking out. I saw this. I don't know if it's a bird point. Nope, it's a flake.
This might not be anything.
All right, let's see what this is.
But it's got pressure on it.
That is a tip indeed. Yep, it's a point.
Yep, little clear point.
Right there. 5 foot away. Now you wouldn't have seen that one.
No.
That was mostly covered.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of the tip exposed. Flip them flakes. All right, people. Let me glance around here. What is that? That is a leaf. See that? That's a case leaf right there. Had the right color. Just not the right material. All right, we'll get back out. All right, we've picked up a couple of halves, tips, a couple of bases here and there, but I just flipped this out of this little clod. I thought it was just a flake because you see the part right there that's not dirt covered. That's all that was sticking out. Little point or drill or something. Yep. Little drill. Thank you, Lord. Little pencil drill. Back at it. Got another shiner sticking up. You see what we see. Sticking out of the dirt. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah. Oh heck yeah, that's much nicer than I thought that was gonna be.
Heck yeah.
Look at that thing. Little reworked ear down there. Oh, I'll take that all day. Thank you, Lord. And a kill shot. All right. Getting back to it. Probably some wind noise. I'm sorry. My apologies. Zach spotted this base. We're gonna go ahead and get that. Broken point. Yeah, he's got a potential right here. I don't know.
I don't know.
Maybe a tool or something, huh?
It had pressure. Nothing.
Big chunk off. Chunking off of it.
Yep.
All right.
Fakers Creek.
Fakers Creek. We'll get
All
back.
right.
So we moved. Come over here to this spot they've just recently pushed up on the other side. Found a little broken piece. It's all busted up. But I just flipped something out here. It was right there in that little hole. I flipped it out. Looks to be like a turtleback scraper. That's what it is. Yep. Alrighty. We'll see what else we can get. We got a little bit longer to look. We'll get back. All right. Y'all know how he does it. If he ain't finding a whole one, he's finding one in two pieces here. He's got a Tallahassee quartzite point here. He picked up he said, here's a base. Looked over a few inches. Here's a tip. He said, there's got to be a midsection somewhere, but the dang thing fits together perfect.
Oh man.
Jeez.
When you're hot, you're
That's
hot.
it, right there. Perfect fit. Yeah, when you're hot, you're hot. You're like, whatever, dude. All right, we'll get back. We're back over here at the spot that me and Benny Boo Boo usually hunt, where he's usually kicking my tail. And just come up on something here. Looks like the tip might be off of it. Right there. Yep. Some kind of little dark point. Made of some pretty citronelle, multicolored, heat treated. There it is. All right, we're gonna go a little longer, guys. Again, should have just left the camera running and come here and started looking in this little washout right here. Saw a flake, flipped it. Torn a flake. Cute little point.
Oh yeah. Very nice.
A little cutie. Lord, I can't grip it in the sand. Kill shot. This thing does not want to focus right. There it is. Little heat treated tip. I like it. All right. We'll get back. All right, folks. I'm back at the house. I'm gonna do a quick cleanup here for you. Got the little drill there. A heartbreaker. Broken drill. And then some beautiful points here. And some gorgeous serrations. My lighting's terrible, so.
Oh no, I didn't.
And that jewel. Again, some awesome serrations. Zach's two-piecer, Tallahassee quartzite. Y'all, this little point Zach and I didn't even notice just how pretty this thing is until we got to cleaning it up. Look at the white in that thing. Beautiful heat-treated tip. And the color scheme on the back with the white, red, orange to brown, white on the tip. Beautiful stuff. Some more. This was a shame. Look at this midsection. Then is a Pringle, and I think this is some kind of awl. One of them big Oprah bases. Big behind. Look at that needle tip. Maybe a drill or something. And some broken assorted stuff. And then a big old piece of pottery. Some designs in it. Some kind of markings. We'll have to get some finer cleanup work on that.
Uncle, when's just so you know versus the other table?
All right. Sorry, had to spit. Guys, not bad for a couple hours going out and walking in a dished up field. We are blessed. Thank you, Lord. And we appreciate all you guys watching, all your support. And y'all remember the giveaway. If you're not subscribed, y'all subscribe. If you want to be entered, leave me a comment under that video, under the giveaway video, and I'll put your name in the drawing. All right, the horseshoe. Guys, we'll see y'all next time. God bless. Be safe. Take care.